Professional plumber installation instructions for 3M FF100 undersink system. This video is intended as a general guide. Always read and understand the product owner's manual for complete installation instructions prior to actual installation and use of any 3M product. Pay attention to the warnings, cautions, and important notes in the installation manual. The 3M FF100 drinking water system comes with a filter head assembly, 3M FF100 filter, and a product manual. Installation requires some basic tools and additional plumbing fittings to install the 3M FF100 undersink system. Begin installation by turning off the cold water supply, by closing the shutoff valve under the sink, and opening the faucet to relieve pressure. Select a location under the sink that allows access for filter change. You will be connecting to the existing line with 3/8-inch tubing, so allow for proper distance from faucet. Using the filter head assembly as a guide, mark the location on the cabinet wall to mount the filter head. Allow a 3-inch clearance from bottom of replacement filter for ease of removal. Fasten filter head assembly to wall with fasteners. Place a basin or a towel under the cold water supply valve. Remove the cold side riser tubing between your cold water supply valve to your primary faucet connection. Install faucet adapter fitting to faucet stem. This should be a snug fit. Do not over-tighten. Ensure the black gasket is inserted into the faucet adapter prior to assembly. Install 3/8-inch NPT fittings, not included, into filter head using PTFE tape. Do not over-tighten. Determine length of 3/8-inch tubing required from filter head outlet to faucet adapter by holding tubing in place, ensuring it is of appropriate length. Do not kink tubing as this will impede water flow. If necessary, loop tubing around to avoid it being kinked. Cut tubing straight with a razor knife. Insert 3/8-inch tubing from faucet adapter fitting into the filter outlet fitting. Using a tube ferrule, compression nut, and tube support, slide nut and ferrule over 3/8-inch tubing. Insert tube support and connect to the cold water supply valve. Install 3/8-inch NPT fittings, not included, into filter head using PTFE tape. Do not over-tighten. Determine length of 3/8-inch tubing required from filter head inlet to cold water supply valve by holding tubing in place, ensuring it is of appropriate length. Do not kink tubing as this will impede water flow. Cut tubing straight with a razor knife. Insert the 3/8-inch tubing end into filter inlet fitting. Remove sanitary protective cap from filter. Ensure both O-rings are present on the filter and are seated into grooves. Moisten O-rings with water. Do not use any petroleum products to lubricate the O-rings. Align lugs of filter with head assembly and insert filter into the head assembly. Turn filter to the right clockwise until it stops, about a quarter turn. The filter is now installed. Turn on cold water supply valve and open faucet to flush air from the system. Run water for a minimum of 4 gallons, approximately 2 minutes, to flush system. Close the faucet. The system is now ready for use. System is now under pressure and can be inspected for leaks. Repair any leaks as needed before continuing. Your installation is complete. Filter replacement instructions. Replace the disposable filter cartridge every 12 months or when a noticeable reduction in flow rate occurs. Place towel under filter to collect any residual water during replacement filter changeout. Grasp filter and turn to the left, counterclockwise, until filter comes to a complete stop. Gently pull filter downward to remove. Water automatically turns off. Water may leak momentarily from vent tube. This is normal. Remove sanitary protective cap from new replacement filter. Ensure both O-rings are present on the replacement filter and are seated into grooves. Moisten O-rings with water. Do not use any petroleum products to lubricate the O-rings. Insert replacement filter into filter head assembly. Turn replacement filter 1/4 turn to the right, clockwise, until it stops. When fully engaged, the top surface of the filter will be flush with the bottom of the filter head assembly. Open faucet and run water for a minimum of 4 gallons, approximately 2 minutes. While system is flushing, check for leaks. Close filter system faucet. System is now under pressure and can be inspected for leaks. The system is now ready for use.